Hi everyone, this is Simran. Welcome back to our denial management series. In this video, you will learn what CO-16 missing or invalid information denial is and how to resolve it correctly as an AR caller. What is actually CO-16 missing or invalid information? CO-16 is not a denial, it is a request for proof. The payer is simply saying, "You didn't give me enough information to process this claim." The simple meaning of CO-16 is this. The payer is telling you that you did not submit enough information to process the claim. This is only a request to provide missing, unclear, or incomplete information, such as missing modifier, missing or invalid diagnosis code. Required notes are missing to support the procedure code. Prior authorization not attached. Referral not mentioned. NPI mismatch between rendering and billing provider. Timed service reported without units or time specification. Operative note missing for a surgical CPT. Drug code missing unit or dosage. Medical records are required to justify medical necessity. The payer never explains this clearly. They hide it behind CO-16. Your job as an AR caller is to decode it before the timely filing limit kills the claim. This is 100% provider responsibility. You cannot bill the patient for this, because this is your documentation error. If you ignore this, you may lose revenue once the timely filing limit expires. Now I'll show you how to resolve CO-16 in real life effectively. The moment you see CO-16, never correct it blindly. Investigate it like a detective, and ask yourself, what proof is missing? Which data does the payer reject? Many AR callers focus only on CO-16 and miss the true instruction hidden in remark codes like N130, M50, M76, or N264. These remarks are not optional. They are the payer's real message. When callers do not decode them properly, they fix the wrong issue, resubmit the claim, and receive the same denial again. That repetition is exhausting. Always read these remark codes first. Remark codes are additional codes that payers send along with a denial code to explain why the claim was not processed or paid and to specify exactly which document or correction is required to process and pay the claim. CO-16 without remark codes is like a patient who is saying, "I have pain," but not telling you where. As an expert AR caller, I suggest you open 3 screens at the same time. The first screen shows the original claim. The second screen shows the EHR and PM demographics. The third screen shows the insurance eligibility record. And then find the mismatch information and fix only what is wrong and never touch anything else. When you open the claim in your system, compare 4 things line by line. 1. Procedure code. 2. Diagnosis. 3. Modifier. 4. And provider details. Because mostly CO-16 denial issues exist right here. If the issue is a missing modifier, fix the modifier and rebill. Do not appeal. Only rebill. Because appeals waste your time when data is missing. If the diagnosis code is wrong or missing, correct it and rebill. But must make sure the diagnosis supports medical necessity, because no medical necessity means no payment, no matter how perfect your appeal sounds. If the payer needs provider notes, do not guess. Just pull the exact note the payer expects. It may be the office note for EM, or it may be the operative report for surgery, or it may be the progress note for therapy. Attach it and resubmit the claim. If prior authorization or referral is missing, confirm it first. Check whether it truly exists. If authorization exists, attach the proof and rebill. If you do not have prior authorization, process this claim as a no prior authorization denial. But if it never existed, stop immediately. That claim is not payable. For NPI mismatch, always verify the rendering NPI against the billing NPI, because one wrong NPI can hold thousands of dollars. Make it correct and rebill. If timed services are denied, If your billed units do not match the documented time, the payer stops the claim. So, always check the provider note for start time, end time, total minutes. Then verify that the total minutes correctly support the units billed. If time and units match, correct the documentation if needed and then rebill the claim. If the NDC is absent, incorrect, or incomplete, the payer will hold the claim. Always verify and add the 11-digit NDC number, the correct unit of measure qualifier, it may be F2, ml, gr, or UN, and the exact given dosage, and ensure the NDC aligns with the billed HCPCS code. Once corrected, then rebill the claim. Now, let me tell you some essential key points to become an AR expert caller. You must resolve CO-16 before the appeal stage. If you appeal a CO-16 without fixing the error, the payer will reject the claim again, and always track the time limit for timely filing. Because CO-16 silently consumes the timely filing limit, delays can result in the claim being denied for payment. Always remember, CO-16 is 100% provider responsibility. You cannot bill the patient for this error. If you miss it, your provider will permanently lose the payment. That's why top AR teams treat CO-16 like a fire alarm. Now, if you want to master claim denials and grow as an AR expert, this playlist is for you. I teach 30 plus of the most common medical claim denials step by step with job-focused techniques. No theory, no confusion, only real payer logic and real AR workflows you can use immediately. Follow this playlist to read denials correctly, fix them properly, and stop them from coming back. This is how real denial management skills are built. If this video helped you understand CO-16 clearly and made your AR work easier, please subscribe to this channel so you never miss practical AR knowledge that actually enables you to get paid. If you want job updates and hands-on training material, join my WhatsApp group where we solve day-to-day AR queries together. Link given in the description.